Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to do a Fashom unboxing for you guys. I am going to be doing a different format than usual because usually I film an unboxing and give you guys first reaction, and as I said in my Stitch Fix video, if you watched that, I filmed 3 videos and this was one of them where I filmed almost the entire thing and realized that my new microphone that I have was shut off. So yay, I am doing them all again. So super excited about it. But did want to tell you guys a little bit about what I asked for and how this service works, and then we'll just jump straight into the Tryon and then, you know, do the prices and what to keep. So what I asked for was basically long sleeve dresses and jackets. And if you're not familiar with the service, they are not actually a subscription. They are basically an ad hoc request. So you ask for a box whenever you want one. They pick out maybe, 7, 8 items, and then you choose 5 of them to have sent to you. On this one, they were launching a new website and somehow I didn't get notified that my picks were actually ready for me to pick the 5. So I didn't have a choice. They just sent me 5, but I'm still really happy with what got sent to me. So no problemo. Once you put in a request, they take 2 to 3 days to actually pick out items to send to you for you to pick out what to have sent to you. And then it takes probably a couple weeks after that for it to actually get sent out and make it to your home, though that time seems to have shortened over time. So that's a little bit how the service works. Again, I think you've got like 3 days to decide what you keep and send back what you don't. You can check out on their website or the app, things like that. All right, that's enough about it. So let's go ahead, let's jump to the Tryon. Okay, so this is obviously my second time trying on this dress, and I think I love it. So here's the reasons why I like it. One, I really like the color. I think the teal is really beautiful. I like it with the burnt orange. So I really like the color. Second, there is lining on it, so it is a double layer dress, which I always enjoy lining. Third, it is flattering without being too snug, too bodycon. And I like that. And there's room here in the waist because it's more of like a shift style, but it's like a snug shift style. So I really like that. This is the 360, easy, very comfortable slip-on dress. So I like this dress. I would love to get your guys' opinions on it. And yeah, tell me what you guys think. Okay, next up I have another dress. I think this box has maybe 3 dresses, so let's get the next on. Okay, so next dress, this is and I will tell you guys brands at the end with the prices, but this is a faux wrap style dress, 3/4 sleeve. It's black with a little bit of like pinkish tannish and blue to show you guys the pattern there. My #1 issue with wrap dresses appears to be just filling out the top, which I do not. Now it does help with modesty that way, but I just feel like there's always weird extra fabric along this line right here. So it's okay, not a perfect fit. I do like it. I think wrap dresses are frequently kind of universally flattering on people, which is excellent, that's great. I'm not sure that I'm just gonna be super excited to pull it out of the closet, so this one I'm kind of on. There were 2 jackets that came in the box, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw those on real quick. So this is the Teddy style jacket, and it actually fits really well. So there's not extra length on the arms, there's not a ton of, extra fabric anywhere. This style is very kind of hit and miss on. It's cute, it's not the world's most flattering style. This is one of those things that I feel like when it's in style, it's cute. When it's out of style, it's like, what was I thinking? So I don't know that these type of jackets are really gonna stand the test of time. I think they're more of a current trend type thing, and I'm more of collecting pieces that I'm going to wear for like the next decade. So I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence as far as this. I don't know what it costs, so we'll see. There are pockets in it, though they are sewn shut, so I can't show that, but there are pockets, which originally when I pulled out of the box, it was like, why doesn't this have pockets? So cute, I like it, just not sure that I'm gonna love it for a long time. So next we have a denim jacket. This is kind of a strange jacket. This is by Just USA because it's got like these really long sleeves that almost bell out a little bit. This one's not buttoned, but let me show you guys here. And I'm wondering if that's because it's meant to be rolled. So it's like, here's a lot of extra fabric. You can see just kind of, it goes from more of a slim out to a bell almost, but not really. So I'm just gonna do a simple roll on this and show you guys what that looks like. I guess I already did that on the other sleeve. Probably the first time I filmed this. And there you go. A good fit. I already have a jean jacket. It's a lighter wash and more distressed than this one, but I think it's the sleeves that are just keeping me from being over the moon with it. I do wish it was just kind of a regular length that way I have an option of not rolling them if I want to make it. I don't know, I feel like a roll makes it a little bit more casual and I don't always want that. So, I don't know. It's okay. I like it. It's just okay. Good stretch though. Alright, I have one last dress to go. Last up, we have this sweater dress and I think I kind of love it. Here's why. One, it's a nice thick quality sweater dress. Two, I don't know why I'm numbering things today, but that's what I'm doing. So two, the sleeve length is perfect. So the fit, the sleeve length is perfect. And then there is this detail here, this buckle detail that I think is super cute. And then it's a good figure, I feel like, without being snug. Now, my problem with most sweater dresses is they're bodycon. And I don't know why sweater dresses have to be bodycon. They don't have to be. So this actually has, you know, a decent amount of room with it without it being kind of a overflowing type dress. So I think I really like this because this is an actual sweater dress with a flattering figure without being bodycon. So I like that. Alright, so some great pieces in this box. Let's go ahead and go over prices and decide what to keep. Alright, friends, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. I feel like in that try-on, I made my feelings pretty well known on what I'm probably going to keep and what I'm not going to keep, but let's confirm with prices. I also think that with Fashom, they haven't sent me anything that's like surprisingly expensive. Most of their stuff is decently affordable. And so that's one that I'm rarely surprised with. Something's like $90 or $100. It's usually, you know, 30, 40, 50 range, occasionally 60, but it's 40, 50 probably. Okay, so anyways, so USA denim jacket, $59. That's a good price for a jacket, but it wasn't a perfect fit and I wasn't a fan of kind of the way the sleeves kind of got a little bit bigger, so I'm not gonna keep that. Skies are blue center front zipper jacket. This is $55. Again, a decent jacket price. It's just, I don't think this is gonna stand the test of time when it comes to things I pull out of my closets. I do like it. I do think it's cute and I know it's on trend. I just think once it's not on trend, then I'm gonna be like, why did I get this? Then we have, this is by Mochi, M-O-C-I, by Purple Rain. This is the striped midi dress, $45. And I really did like this. It was a great fit, a great feel, super comfortable. I mean, it's literally just slip on and go. I love that. I love the way it kind of worked with my body type. So I'm definitely gonna keep that. And then there's the Petite cowl neck sweater dress by, it doesn't say in this sheet, so let's look that up. Sandra Darren, is that right? Yeah, Sandra Darren. And it is petite, which explains why it fits so well. And I really liked it. And I love having a sweater dress that's not bodycon. And I felt warm. I actually wore it around for a little bit. And it's like, I felt myself getting a little bit sweaty in it. So I was like, okay, you did your job, dress. You did your job. Then by Leah Mies, this is just called the print dress. And it is $52. and I am not going to keep it. It just wasn't a perfect fit for me. I didn't quite fill out the bosom, so not a keeper for me. Now they have, forgot about their discount system. So I forgot to tell you guys at the beginning, which is one of the greatest selling points of this service. So how can I forget that? If you buy 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off. If you buy all 5 items, you get 30% off. And I just listed 2 items that I want to keep. So I might end up keeping a third. Okay, so the total for the whole box is $264 before the discount, which if I bought all 5, it would take 30% off, which would subtract $79.20 and give me a total of $184.80. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Tell me, help me make a decision. I'd greatly appreciate that. You guys are the best. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Let me know what you think of the clothes. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. And again, if you want to try it for yourself, a referral link below for $10 off. So hopefully, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye.